How to watch YouTube videos with friends on Discord. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Discord on your device. Click on the servers on the left side. Here, click on voice channel and join the voice channel. After you've joined the voice channel, at the bottom, click on start an activity, which is four dots. There, scroll, and you will find YouTube. Click on YouTube. Now, scroll down, click on launch. After you click on launch, it will launch in the Discord voice chat. Scroll down in here, click on authorize. And after you've clicked on authorize, it will take some time to load. And in here, you will find this kind of screen. Scroll down, press on got it, and you'll find all the YouTube videos. You can search and watch the videos as well. And this is how to watch YouTube videos with friends on Discord. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.